Feeling stressed, anxious, overwhelmed by the pressure of everyday work? You're not alone. Mental health is a serious concern today, yet immediate support isn't always available. That's why we built MindMate, an AI companion designed to support your emotional well-being in real time. In today's fast-paced world, mental health issues are on the rise. That's why we chose to create an AI that can detect emotions, identify crises, and respond with supportive messages instantly. So help is always just a message away. Okay, the first thing starts with our notebook, and this is the starting of our mind map. Now in here, we will just look into our Kaggle notebook. We can see our table of contents, in which it has executive summary, system architecture, key concepts. Now in this side, you can see there is the table of content in here in a simplified way. Now, there are some important concepts used in here, like system architecture. Then we have our data flow system. Then we have our performance matrices, safety, and other stuff. Now these are really important. Now let's take a look at something really important more, which is our parallel agent system, which will use some inbuilt agents we have built through our codes, and then it will execute, and we will just show it later. This is the system architecture of my AI-powered support platform. The user interacts through the Steamlit UI, which sends all requests to the API gateway. From there, the requests go into the multi-agent system, where different specialized agents handle different tasks. The crisis agent detects any high-risk situations. The emotion agent analyzes how the user is feeling. The support agent provides responses, and the resource agent suggests helpful tools or links. All the agents store and fetch information from the memory bank. Finally, all this data flows into the analytics dashboard, and the entire system powers the live web app. This creates a responsive, intelligent, and safe AI support ecosystem. Now, I'm giving this AI something to show that if it's actually working or not. I'm entering that I am feeling really sad. Now, as I run this cell, our agents start working within seconds, which is really fast. And then, see, the crisis level is actually low. Agent user, which requires this detector, emotion analyzer, support planner, and resource measure. And it gives us an AI-generated paragraph, which is to motivate our user to not to feel sad, and to motivate into some positive things. So that's it. Now, we will move into something more good, which includes our code and something called GitHub. Now, what we did in GitHub is that all the code is hosted on GitHub in a professional structure. Let's see MindMap in action on Steamlit. And now, see, it's totally upon the user if they want to enter their API key or not. If they don't, then we can simply use our AI mode. Now let's take a look using our API key. Now our AI agent won't save our API key, so it's really secure. That's how we have made. Now, tick Learn, and in this section we will click on Initialize Full System, so that our multi-agent AI system will function smoothly. Now, it has selected its primary model. And now, suppose I am entering another input. Now, see, it has given us a paragraph. And also, a really important thing we can see is their View Detailed Agent Analysis. And here, we can see that the crisis level they have given is low. Our risk, immediate action, emotion, and urgency. Now, so also, there is a stunning orbit view in which we can view our codes more efficiently, as you can see in our space. So here's MindMap. It combines technology and empathy to help people manage their mental health anytime. Now that's it. Thank you for watching.